For a long time, the word party was synonymous with late nights, dark rooms, and a heavy reliance on alcohol. But according to a report by Investigate TV, a new movement is flipping that script. Across the country, morning dance parties are offering a high-energy, sober alternative that focuses on pure, natural connection. These events often start as early as 6 a.m., replacing the open bar with coffee, juice, and a heavy dose of community. For those of us in the recovered life community, this represents a major shift in social culture. It proves that the vibe we often sought in substances, the feeling of freedom, rhythm, and belonging, can be achieved entirely sober through movement and music. The report explores how these sunrise raves act as a natural dopamine hit. By dancing and connecting with others in a safe, substance-free environment, participants experience a sense of euphoria that lasts throughout the day, without the crash or the regret that follows a night of drinking. It's about reclaiming the joy of play and realizing that we don't need to be under the influence to be fully present and expressive. For many in recovery, the fear of losing a social life is a significant barrier. Stories like this show that we aren't losing anything. We are actually upgrading. We are trading artificial highs for genuine experiences and finding a community that values clarity and health as much as we do. The morning dance party movement is a powerful reminder that sobriety isn't about sitting in a quiet room. It's about living life out loud, with your eyes wide open and your heart in the beat. This uplifting story was originally reported by Investigate TV, and you can get the link to the full article in the show notes.